Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN, I'm your host Wtfiwta, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about, eh? And on today's episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about, I just want to say, we made it, guys. It's a brand new year popping up. Today is the last day of the year. It's a brand new year, 2023 already. I hope you guys have had an amazing year. I hope it's been successful. I hope it's been productive. I hope you've looked after your finances, your emotions, your physical, your health, you know, all of the above. You know, we're all a work in progress. So, you know, if you've not managed to tick all the boxes that you set for yourself, do not despair. Just keep going and make sure that those that you didn't tick off, look at them and say, is it worth carrying over to the next year? Was it something I really needed to do? If yes, carry it over and make sure that those are the first things you do, and then you carry on through the year. If not, then you discard them and you set yourself a new set of achievements or goals or wants. Haha, see what I did there, that you want to tick off. And yeah, guys, just again, the aim isn't to be too hard on yourself, but the aim is to be honest with yourself. Make sure you're being honest in what you're doing and what you're not doing and what your approach is. Change your shift, your paradigm shift. So it's all between there, you know what I mean? Everything we do is between here, the two ears, you know. This thing in our brain, this thing in our head is an amazing instrument, and we must try and utilize it and use it to the best of its ability. So yeah, I just want to say, guys, you guys have done well, man. You know, even all of us that have fallen over, I'm assuming we've all got back up, and here we are. So let's not give ourselves too much punishment or too much you know, abuse. Like I said, look after yourself and speak to yourself nice, and yeah, just move forward with a renewed spring in your step, and let's get it. 2023, this year's been pretty good, you know. I'm not going to say it's the most amazing year, but it's been a beautiful year. I've achieved a few things that, you know, towards the end of the year it kind of ended a bit, you know, but that's life. Life is peaks and life is troughs. So I just want to send love out to you guys and just say, yeah, man, stay dope, stay fly as always, man. Keep smashing it, keep believing in yourselves, keep pushing forward, keep just loving, keep laughing, keep living, keep embracing the light, and stay away from the darkness, and just continue to be a better person each year. Guys, you already know what it is. I've got mad love for all of you. So this is just shout out to you guys and say, yeah, let's move into the new year with renewed vigor, and let's get the most out of what we call this thing, life. Anyway, guys, this has been your boy Wtfiwta, aka P equals MC squared. I'll stick with that, and this has been another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. And you guys have been beautiful, you've been wonderful, and I appreciate all of you, and I thank you for your support throughout the year. And as always, man, I'm gonna see you on the flip side of this year, and we're gonna get it. First day is tomorrow, and yeah, start how you mean to go on. Guys, this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. Peace.